Hi guys, hello everyone. Welcome to the stream. So yes, today we are going to talk about the Klima project analysis. So this project is all about fight climate change and earn rewards with the Klima. And before entering into the topic, project analysis, let's get started with the token from the Gate.io. So yeah, which is a crypto exchange. I have provided a link in the description to download on YouTube if you new to crypto world, and you can download Gate.io to start your trading. Yeah. So yeah, this is the Gate.io. Let me show you the interface of Gate.io before starting entering into the trade option. This is how the gate looks, and 10th anniversary of gate is going to happen. Yeah. So here there is a trade option. Let me click on the trade option. Now we'll get the BTC token as default. So BTC is always in a default, and now we are going to search for the token which we are going to make an analysis about. So now it is Klima project, Klima. So which is the token, and here you can see the logo of the project so that you can easily identify the project what it is. Now we can see the token price today. The change in the token price was minus 4.26 percentage, and token price is 2.0343. So this is the token price now, and we are in the candle of 3-minute candle. Let me make it as 5-minute candle so that we can view the candles more clearly, or else we can go to the 1-day candle. Here you can see that is at the time of launch, the token price, the higher price is 9.8072, which is $9, nine minimum, which is $9.8 nearly. So now the token price was 2.0343. Okay, so here you can see there is a buyers and seller for the token. So yeah, it is splitted equally. Buyers and sellers are splitted equally here, who all are ready to buy the token for a mentioned amount, and who all are ready to sell the token for the mentioned price here. Yeah. So, and we have the trading strategy bot also. So let me show you that. So when we place a cursor on the trade, you get the strategy bot here. So why the strategy bot is important here? So it will give you the automatic trading strategy, and that will increase the profits on the trading. Okay, so that for that we can use the strategy bot in the Gateio. Let me show you that. Okay, it's take more time to load. Yeah, so we enter into the trade option itself. So you can use the strategy bot for automatic trading strategies, and to get more profits from this. So yes, again it was refresh, and we need to search for the Klima. So here, yeah, as we discussed, here it is displayed as a 50 percentage of buying and sellers are here. So the candles, why the candles are important? So for an intraday buying and selling, intraday trading, the candles are most we need to know about the candles most, because but depend upon the candles move, we can predict the next move of the candle. So you can see there is a upper hammer and lower hammer here. So by using that hammer, it is very easy to find the next candle move. When you find the next candle move, it is easy to buy the token at the depth and sell the token at the top. Okay, so yeah, here there is a buy and sell option is here. So how to start buy the token? Before that, you need to add some amount to your wallet so that you can start buying the token. So here there is a price of the token which is 2.0288. Here the token prices. At the time we are in live, the token price was fell down. You can see there is 0.032 and now it is increasing, right? Yeah, so you can mention the price, maybe buying always in a depth, not we need to buy at the top level, we need to buy the token at the depth. So we can mention the amount which is very low, and the amount is nothing but you have to mention the quantity of the token. So if you want to purchase the 100 token or maybe 1000 1 lakh token, so you have to mention the token here and the token price on a USDT. So in the total amount, it will show as a USDT. So USDT, you can easily find how much amount you are going to purchase the token. Okay, so then you can easily purchase the token. Yeah, that's all about how to buy the token from Gateio. So let's have a look at the project analysis. So Klima DAO. So what the project is. So here the project is all about to fight a climate change and earn rewards with a Klima, a digital currency backed by a real carbon assets. So real carbon assets you are going to get rewarded from the Klima, and let's have a look at the project. Yeah. So this climate here was a decentralized finance that defies a climate change. So this DAO is a center of a new green economy built on the energy efficient Polygon network. So this is made on the Polygon network, and Klima DO uses a stack of technologies. So you have to stake the tokens to start your earnings from the Klima to reduce the market fragmentation and accelerate the delivery of climate finance to sustainability projects globally into this Klima. So here you can see the video of a Klima. Let's have a look at this so you can get some idea about the project. So the carbon assets, which is majorly available in the some asset holding. So you have an application for the taking the Klima, and let me show you that demonstration also. So the decentralized finance is for everyone in this Klima DAO. It is available in the 65 countries, and you can find the NFTs, charity, and many things which is a fashion. Everything is included on the Klima. So it is they mentioned it as infinity. Yes, you're watching Klima project analysis. If you're new to my page, please follow guys, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like my stream. Okay, so yeah, we have seen the video about the Klima GAO, and here is DeFi for organization and DeFi for individuals. Let's see what is inside the both of organization and the individual. So organization, it is easy way to go to the carbon neutral. This is the next generation carbon toolkit for the organization. So who are in our organization, they can make use of it. And now we can see for the individual, that is what everyone needs for an individual. So yes, together with the Polygon, the border blockchain industry needs to form a united front to fund, support, and leverage a technology that helps heal the earth rather than destroy it. So yes, we can write our own here. There's nothing inside it. Yeah, let me enter into the app so that you can get some idea about it. So here there is some warning here before entering into that. So the official domain is app.clemadavo.finance is the only official domain here. So they are migrated from the DApp to a normal application, so decentralized application to normal application. So we need to update our bookmarks. So yeah, here the staking method of Klima. Here you can stake the tokens. Already I have told you how to start buying the token from Gateio, and also the staking method is available on the Klima DAO, right? So you can mention the amount of the token, Klima token, to stake your token, and you can also unstake it if you don't want to stake your token for a long period here. So you can also buy carbon, offset, warp. So many things is available. Let me enter into learn more about the token. So here is application, and we can talk about the community and disclaimer informations about the Klima DO. Yes, next we can move on to the mechanics. So mechanics is nothing but the DAO, which sells bonds and distributes rewards to claimer holders. Every bond that they sell adds to an ever-growing green treasury. So or improves the liquidity for key environmental assets, a win and win for people and planet here. So next is a strong incentives, a massive impact into the DAO. So these are mechanics of the Kalima DAO, and yeah, so it is equivalent to the amount of hectares of forest, cars, annual liters of gasoline. It's time to actors invest in the future of Klima. So here there is a reverse asset of the carbon economy. So every Klima token is backed by a real world carbon asset. Tokens are used to offset carbon emissions. So interact with the decentralized finance application and get exposure to the rapidly growing global carbon market into this Klima. And a monthly rewards for a token holders who are holding the token. There is a monthly rewards also available for the holders who are holding the token, Klima token. So the Klima token are minted and distributed automatically every 7 hours to take the Klima holders. So they can automatically distribute the minted tokens from the Klima. So they will move to for every 7 hours they will move or distribute that minted tokens to the holders. Holders means which is for a Klima holders, and you can grow your Klima holdings as they you sure in the more sustainable future together into the Klima. So you can get Klima from the Gate.io. So yes, what is the carbon mark here? So the carbon mark is the universal carbon marketplace, which is the largest selection of digital carbon credits worldwide. So you can buy and sell and retire digital carbon from any project instantly with a zero commission trading from here. Okay. So yes, we can get started with this. So for carbon traders, what the messages for a carbon traders? So the compare prices across the all sellers and trading pools, the real-time price and transaction data, which is powered by the blockchain. There is 0% of listing fee in the platform, and also all assets sourced from the major registries. Instant settlement to all the traders in the carbon. So carbon traders will get instant rewards, and the developers also, they'll get paid immediately, and also transaction or resolved in the seconds. List and sell for free in the carbon, and barriers to entry for verified carbon projects, and you can sell your digital carbon directly to the buyers here, is which is powered by Klima. And we can see the marketplace, what is inside the marketplace. Okay, so the marketplace is contains renewable energy here, so which is with the mentioned price here. So these are the marketplace of carbon mark. Okay, so now we can move to the Klima. Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome to the stream. So the carbon mark role. What is the role of a carbon mark in the digital carbon market? So which is a platform that taps directly into the millions of carbon tons available in the polygon-based digital carbon market. So through a familiar marketplace experience, it removes the barriers to entry and improves overall market performance by complementing the existing infrastructure deployed in the DCM. So DCM nothing but digital carbon market. So the infrastructure of that DCM that Klima DO has built brings unparalleled transparency and efficiency to the carbon markets, which is built on the top of public blockchains. The infrastructure inherits blockchain's trust, security, and interoperability of the carbon market. So at the center of Klima Gateio ecosystem is the token, which is Klima, which is the token of Klima Gateio, and which is deployed to provide liquidity of the market via liquidity pools. And these liquidity pools benefit from Klima Gateio's long-termist vision of the voluntary carbon market. So through the protocol owns liquidity, the Klima Gateio is the owner of these liquidity pools, and intends to continue providing liquidity as long as the DCM stands to benefit it. The carbon marketplace, which functions on the gateway of this infrastructure. And the benefits of the carbon marketplace. So we have seen the marketplace and the pricing of each and every things on the carbon marketplace, right? So here the carbon mark is the evolution of the infrastructure layer of the DCM with the familiar marketplace user experience, which functioning as a gateway to the DCM technology tech stack, and the taking purpose of the Klima. So that is also the fight with the um, nature carbon. So right, carbon. There's a fight with the carbon. So the liquidity pools themselves play an important role in the DCM by liquidity, reducing fragmentation, and revealing key market data such as price signals and supply availability to the market. However, they also require a degree of technical expertise to interact with the understand and they may not always support the exact need of the sellers and buyers because of the way they pull together large quantities of homogenized groups of the carbon credits here. So you can see yeah, there is a carbon standard credit issuance is available. So you can see here, yeah, how it works. Is so hence the carbon mark brings a new dimension of accessibility and user experience to the DCM, which built directly on the top of what already exists. It doesn't compromise the benefits of the existing technologies within the DCM, but simply allows these benefits to be more easily accessed by the market. So the carbon liquidity here, there is a carbon standard issuance is available, and next it is moved to the carbon bridge. Carbon bridge is nothing but TCO2, and next the process is in the marketplace. Before marketplace, it is the carbon liquidity. They are making it a carbon liquidity, and it is connected with the marketplace. Then, yeah, the carbon bridge is also connected with the Klima data. That data will be stored on the integrations of here. So the integrations which contains the both the marketplace and the carbon liquidity of carbon offsetting here. Okay, so the both are included on the integrations process. So the yeah, unique attributes of this Klima. So the digital carbon credits that do not fit into the existing pool getting criteria, or we can see that perhaps deemed to have some specific characteristics that distinguish them from assets currently represented in a given pool. So we do not need to left out the DCM with the carbon mark. They can be listed and presented to the market as a standalone project. So this is the standard single product on the Kalima. So yes, bespoke marketing. Individual product which is listing can be tailored by supply side organizations. We can see, for example, by adding a qualitative data or project pictures and documentation that can inform the market about the specific benefits of the given project. So the supply side organizations can operate their own virtual carbon storefronts, so which leveraging a carbon mark as a marketing and distribution channel and making it easier to match to demand. So it is easy of access, stability and certainty is there, opportunity, which is obtainability is there, and the market health, resilience and redundancy, innovation and competition. So these are the things which is included on this. Let's see what is ease of access, how it is easy to access it. So the carbon marks which enables users to access the marketplace without any pre-existing blockchain or a Web3 knowledge. If you want to access the carbon marketplace, there is nothing is needed, which is a existing blockchain or else Web3 knowledge. There is nothing is needed to access it. So users can log in via just their social media accounts or email, or even platform circle integration to interact with the marketplace. So when only considering USD or other government issued global currency, so that is also we can make use as a USDT or else other country currencies, which is global currency, which government issued currencies also we can make use to start purchasing the things, marketplace materials here. Okay, so and also you can easily connect your account marketplace with the your social media accounts, what you are using. It doesn't need a wallet like MetaMask, nothing is needed. So you can just use your already existing social media accounts to your purchasing the marketplace materials from the carbon mark. So stability and certainty. What is stability and certainty in the project? So the project which is listed on the Gateio, which is a big price and available supply is available there. So the carbon marks listing was subject to less volatility and no slippage or more clarity for buyers than interacting with a liquidity pool. Thus you can adding on buying the experiences there. So how the market health will be. So you can there will be opportunities for market participants to respond to market dynamics between the marketplace and the Liquidity pools itself. So, establishing a more liquid market with a more efficient price discovery, the liquidity pools can provide a continuous liquidity or large volumes. While the decentralized marketplace can attract different types of participants, such as the buyers looking for specific qualities or products types in the credits, right? So, what is the innovation and competition in the carbon mark? So, the coexistence of liquidity pool and the decentralized marketplace can foster innovation and competition in the market. So, different platforms can experiment with the various features, pricing, mechanisms, and user experience, which can lend to better overall solutions for the market participants. So, these are the things which is included on the Klima project, and which is the carbon marks role. What are the carbon marks role included on the Klima? So right. So now we can see the existing, which is the example. What is the project actually? So that the example video I will play now, so you can just know about what it actually. So you can have a look at this. So the carbon assets only available to the major businesses. So staking application is also available, so you can use it for a mobile, which is play. It is available in a Play Store, and iOS also available. So if you want to stake the token, you may just download it, and it is available in 60 countries. Sorry, 65 countries. The focusing of NFTs are there, and yes, we have seen the marketplace with the lower price of this, so that the Klima is giving a infinite of products which is available, and yeah, we can make use of it, everything. So this is launched on October 2021. Yes, okay. So I think we have get some idea about the project, and we have seen how to start trading and how to start with the Gateio Taiwo. So I hope you enjoy this live stream. And if you have any queries regarding, you may ask me in the comment section. I'm here to help you if you have any other queries regarding the project analysis. And yeah, stay tuned with me, and don't forget to follow my page if you like my stream. And yeah, give a thumbs up. Okay. So, yeah, thanks for joining today live, and we'll join you on the next live maybe tomorrow. And bye bye.